Hello and welcome to Business Standard's Afternoon News Update. Here are the headlines. Rupee tumbles to all-time low of 58.90. CBI files case against Jindal Steel in Coalgate scandal. And Kotak Mahindra Pension Fund appoints Sandeep Srikhande as CEO. Now the news in detail. Inching closer to the 59 mark, the rupee today fell by as much as 74 paise to hit a new all-time low of 58.90 in late morning trade on persistent dollar demand from importers and banks and heavy capital outflows amid weak local equities. The rupee resumed lower at 58.35 against the dollar as against the last close of 58.16 per dollar at the interbank foreign exchange market and dropped further to an all-time low of 58.90 per dollar. Persistent dollar demand from importers and banks due to higher dollar in the international market mainly affected the rupee value against the dollar. The CBI has registered a case against Jindal Steel and Power Limited over coal block allocations, a spokesperson for the government agency said. R.K. Gaur said a case has been filed but declined to give more details. Jindal Steel and Power Limited in response said that it was committed to fully cooperating with the CBI. Kotak Mahindra Pension Fund has announced the appointment of Sandeep Srikhande as its Chief Executive Officer. Prior to this, Srikhande was the Senior Vice President and Head of Group Insurance Business at Kotak Mahindra Old Mutual Life Insurance. He has been with the Kotak Mahindra Group for over 20 years, starting with Kotak Mahindra Finance and then with Kotak Mahindra Old Mutual Life Insurance. Prior to his stint with Kotak Life between 1992 and 2001, he was with Kotak Securities. That's all we have for now. Keep watching Mindspace for more news.